Hello students, welcome back. I am here with you all with a new module, that is module 5 for class 9, chapter Cell, the fundamental unit of life. My dear students, till now we had completed 4 modules, and in module 4 I had given you some homework to revise all the content we discussed. Module number 4, we discuss about the outermost protective covering, the cell wall of the cell, about the brain of cell, that is the nucleus, and the fluid content of the cell, that is the cytoplasm. Dear student, I'm sure that these topics are clear to you all. Today in this module, we will discuss few more topics such as endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, and lysosomes. So begins the discussion. I want you to just remember the structures and the content what I had taught to you in earlier modules. For that, there is a picture in front of you. You just recall that what structure you had information about and what this picture depicts. I am sure students, you can easily judge it out. This diagram shows eukaryotic cell. Now question for you is, which eukaryotic cell? Eukaryotic cell can be a plant cell or animal cell. Yes, this is a eukaryotic cell with a animal cell diagram. Why? Because the outermost covering is cell membrane. We learned in an earlier module that outermost covering is cell wall of eukaryotic cell, but cell wall is outermost covering in plant cell. Animal cell do not have a cell wall. So this diagram shows a diagram of eukaryotic animal cell. My dear students, there are many cell organelles located at different positions, and they are performing the different functions. Few we have discussed, we will discuss. So the one cell organelle which is associated with the nucleus, which is in the form of tubes and sheet, membrane bound, this structure is called endoplasmic reticulum. So today's topic for discussion is our endoplasmic reticulum. My dear students, what is this? Endoplasmic reticulum बेटा is a large network, एक network है, जाल है, किसका? Of membranes, which is made up of tubes and sheet. It looks like a long tube, sometimes it looks like a round bodies with the bag-like structure which we call vesicles, and it is similar in structure as that of. So how it is looking and from which part it is associated, on that basis we classify this endoplasmic reticulum into two categories. Number 1 is rough endoplasmic reticulum. In short, we can say RER. And second is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In short, SER. Now, how can you differentiate between RER and SER? Let us see. RER looks when we observe it under a microscope. Why it is looking rough? Because it has a particles called ribosomes. You know, dear students, ribosomes are called as protein factory of cell. तो क्या समझ में आ रहा है कि RER वो जगह होगी जहां पर सेल के लिए प्रोटीन की सिंथेसिस होगी. So, it has a particles called ribosomes which are attached to its surface. And these ribosomes present in all the active cells and are the site of what? Protein manufacture. Now, जो भी प्रोटीन यहाँ बनेगी, that protein is sent to various part of the cell depending what is its function. So, SER, which is the next type of endoplasmic reticulum, it also play a very important role. It help in manufacture of fat molecule or lipid. Are you familiar with this word? Yes, you are familiar because we learned that plasma membrane made up of lipids and proteins. तो लिपिड्स बनाने का काम सेल में कौन कर रहा है? SER. और प्रोटीन कहाँ बन रही है? RER पर. बना कौन रहा है? राइबोसोम्स. Okay. Now, some of these proteins and lipids help in building the cell. रही है और लिपिड भी, तो उसमें से कुछ प्रोटीन और लिपिड सेल की मेम्ब्रेन को बनाने का काम करता है. And some proteins and lipids help in another functions. Formation of membrane is called as biogenesis. On the other hand, some other proteins and lipids, they function as enzymes and hormones. So, ER varies greatly in appearance. Structure-wise, it is have a varieties in different cells. कहीं पर ये नेटवर्क का सिस्टम करता है और कहीं पर वो सिस्टम करता है और कहीं पर वो सेल को एक फ्रेमवर्क प्रोवाइड करता है और कहीं कहीं पर इट परफॉर्म अ फंक्शन टू सर्व एज अ चैनल, एक रास्ते की तरह. क्यों? फॉर द ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ मटेरियल. क्या मटेरियल ये ट्रांसपोर्ट कर सकता है? प्रोटीन, जो उसके ऊपर राइबोसोम्स बना रहे हैं. और ये प्रोटीन ट्रांसफर होती है फ्रॉम वेरियस रीजन of the cytoplasm or between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. And sometimes this endoplasmic reticulum also function as a framework which provide a surface for biochemical activities of the liver cells of a group of animals, those are called as vertebrates. Now this SER plays a crucial role in detoxifying many poisons and drugs also. So RER and SER, they play a very important role inside the cell. याद रहेगा आपको? Okay. Now second next organelle for today's discussion is the Golgi apparatus. बेटा Golgi apparatus का नाम उसको फर्स्ट टाइम आइडेंटिफाई करने वाले साइंटिस्ट के ऊपर पड़ा. एंड द नेम ऑफ द साइंटिस्ट इज कैमिलो गोल्गी. These Golgi apparatus or Golgi bodies are a system of membrane से बंधी हुई bag-like structures हैं which are arranged approximately parallel. ये दिख रहा है डायग्राम में कि ये एक के ऊपर एक हैं, तो they are arranged approximately parallel to each other in stalk के फॉर्म में. और इन स्टाल्क को यहाँ पर क्या लेबल कर रखा है? सिस्टर्स. These stalks are called cisterns. Now these membranes often have connection. They are connected with each other with the membrane of ER also. With them and with the ER. So what is formed on the surface of ER? Protein. Yes, ER पर बन रहा है that protein and that lipid. Packaging and dispatching to the various parts is the main function of the cell organelle. So ER and therefore constitute another portion of a complex cellular membrane system. The material synthesized near the ER, because it is associated with it, is packed and dispatched. Means it's sent to the various target inside and outside the cell through the Golgi apparatus. Some other functions it also performs, such as the storage and modification and packaging of the product in the form of vesicles. Beta, what is vesicle? Vesicles are the sac or a bag-like structure. These are labeled here. दिख रहे हैं आपको? Yes. Now, in some cases, the complex sugar in a Golgi apparatus is also converted. Now, it involves other in the formation of lysosomes. You know, lysosomes are called suicidal bag of cell, and they form the waste disposal system of the cell. So these lysosomes, those who are having a digestive enzymes, they are also formed by the Golgi apparatus. Let us discuss lysosomes. As I told you, kind of a waste disposal system of the cell. ये सेल का वेस्ट डिस्पोजल सिस्टम बनाते हैं. If any cell organelle or a whole cell or the cell metabolic activity is disturbed, then this lysosomes burst and release the digestive enzymes on the surface and digest the cell organelle or a whole cell. So it helps to keep the system clean by digesting any foreign material as well as old worn out cell organelle or any foreign material, anything which is not a part of a cell if enters inside the cell, then also it digests, such as bacteria if enter in a cell, or food also it take as a foreign material, help in digestion, as well as old worn organelles. They end up in the lysosomes. क्या करता है ये? Which break them up into small pieces. How can it possible? Because they contain powerful digestive enzymes, those who are capable of breaking down organic materials. ये enzymes कहाँ बनते हैं सेल में? Enzymes are formed on endoplasmic reticulum. देखिए, एक सीरीज में बात हो रही है इस स्लाइड में. सबसे पहला आया एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम. वहां से उसमें जो कुछ भी बना उसको किसने पैक और डिस्पैच किया? गोल्गी apparatus ने. और गोल्गी apparatus से क्या बना? लाइसोसोम्स. ठीक है. Are you connected with this? Yes. Now, during the disturbance in the cellular metabolism, for example, when the cell get damaged, these lysosomes may burst and the enzymes digest their own cell. वो सेल पूरे सेल को भी डाइजेस्ट कर सकता है. Therefore, lysosome the suicide bag of the cell. अगर हम इनका स्ट्रक्चर देखें या बात करें तो they are membrane bound sac which are filled with the digestive enzymes. और enzymes कहाँ बनते हैं? I told you earlier, that is on the surface of RER, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum. See the diagram and go through the module once again. My dear student, I am sure I am successful in dictating you endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus and lysosomes. In next module, we will discuss with another topics, that is the cell organelles, mitochondria, plastid and vacuole. Till then, go through the content and take care of yours.